Hello all, welcome to MES e-learning channel. In the previous session, we have discussed about brief history of our Indian art. In this session, we will be discussing about various paintings. So first we will be discuss about Madhubani paintings. Now in these paintings, they are immersed in India, represented traditions, our customs, our ideologies that passed down from previous generations. Though early paintings existed on walls or as murals, the art was eventually transferred to more modern materials such as paper, canvas, cloth and other mediums. Now these Madhubani paintings, they are originated in the Mithila region of Bihar as a form of a wall art. The Madhubani style is represented by a simple and evocative portrayal of culture and tradition, typically depicting mythological scenes. They are very colorful and our ancestors, they used to portray their walls, their houses, etc. Next, we have miniature, pattachitra and warli paintings. Now, miniature paintings, these are the small works created mostly as illustrations for manuscripts, and they were initially found on palm leaves, painted for merchants who carried them throughout their travels across the subcontinent in the 10th and the 12th centuries. The art form became increasingly important throughout the Mughal and Rajput courts. Miniature paintings, they were highly detailed and intricate, drawing from Persian techniques. Their themes ranged from religious and historical scenes to depict their everyday life. Now, pattachitra, it literally means cloth picture. That describes the traditional cloth-based type of scroll painting, and they are known for its intricate details and mythological narratives. The paintings call upon angular, bold lines and draw extensively from Mughal era influences. As you can see, these are the pictures. First picture is the miniature paintings, second is pattachitra, and the third picture is warli paintings. Now, let's move on to warli paintings. Now, warli folk paintings, it is a form of indigenous Indian art that dates back 2500 years ago. And this style is originated in Maharashtra, a state spanning the western part of central India, where it is still widely practiced today. Typically, it was created on the walls of hut. Next, there are some other folk paintings also. These are Thanjavur paintings, Kalamkari paintings, Gaunt paintings and Fard paintings. Now if we talk about Thanjavur paintings, these paintings, Thanjavur paintings, this South Indian painting style flourished between the 16th and the 18th century. Thanjavur paintings are colorful panel painting done on wood plank, usually depicting a deity as the primary subject matter of the composition. Now the first picture is Thanjavur painting. Next, if we talk about Kalamkari, this type of hand painted or block printed cotton textile, it is produced in the Indian states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. It was traditionally used to make narrative scrolls and panels and has a strong connection to Persian motifs. Next, we have Gaunt paintings. Gaunt paintings was developed by the Gondi tribe of central India, and this type of art celebrates the natural world, depicting anything from lush greenery to animals. These paintings are created using a series of intricately arranged dots and dashes. Next, we have Fard paintings. They date back thousands of years as a religious form of scroll painting that depicts battlefields, adventure stories and folk deities. Now the first picture is Thanjavur painting, second picture is the Kalamkari painting, third picture is the Gaunt painting and the fourth picture is the Fard painting. So this is all about Indian folk paintings. In our upcoming session, we will be discussing about architecture and sculptures. I hope you like the session. Thank you.